All right, this is the corrections video for lesson 1 of Alfred's Essentials of Music Theory. We're going to start by reading our instructions. Draw a staff by connecting the dots. If you didn't have a ruler or a straight edge, that's okay. Just make sure that the lines are straight-ish and that we're connecting the dots. My tablet is going to make my lines perfect. You don't need to worry about your lines being perfect. That one's only perfect-ish. All right, the rest of that instruction says to number those lines from bottom to top, okay? From lowest to highest. So 1 is the lowest number down on the staff, so it's our lowest, smallest number. Then going up, we have 2, 3, 4, and 5. Notice that I draw it so that the line is going through the number. That lets us know that that is actually numbering the line. Then in our spaces, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. And the number is in between the lines because it is in the space. That is just like our notes are going to be here in just a moment. All right, exercise number 2. On the staff, mark an X in the following locations. So it gives us an example of the first one being line 3. So we have line 1, line 2, line 3. They drew an X. Now it's our turn to do space 2. Space 1, space 2. Draw an X. Line 1, draw an X. Space 4, draw an X. Line 5, draw an X. Space 1, line 4, space 3, line 2. Again, you can see that on my lines, the line is going through the X, and in the spaces, the X is fitting in between those spaces. Next one, we're doing the exact same thing, but now we're drawing a note head, which is an oval. So the first one that they gave us is the 4th space. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're now going to do the same thing, but once on line 1. A little oval with the line going through it. Space 2, a little oval touching the lines on either side. Line 3, space 1, line 5, space 3, line 2, line 4. Okay, and on number 4, it asks us to indicate which note is higher or lower. So this first note, then the second note. Is the second note higher or lower? Here and here, this is going up. It is higher up on the staff, therefore it is a higher note. On the second part, here to here, the second note went down, so it is a lower note. Mark it with an L. Here the second note is above. It's going higher up on the page. It's a higher, higher, lower, lower, higher. Anything that you have that doesn't match mine, please mark it with a red pen. With your red pencil from your pencil pouch, and take a picture to submit on Canvas.